Okay, I'm going to add some color components to Delphi. I'm going to say Colorbox, Colorlistbox, and use that one. And the other one that I want to use is the Colorgrid. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use these three components. Let's start with the first one. When I click on this, or when I change something in this color box, so it's on change. When I change this or change a option in there, I want to change the color of the form to whatever was selected. So I'm going to say form1.color, and I want to set it to the color box 1. To whatever is selected in the color box 1. Okay, set on the event change. So if I'm going to change the option, it will change the color of the form. Okay, let's go to the second object. This one is the color list box. So for this one, I'm going to do it under the event on click, because I'm just going to click on olive or green or navy, and then it must change the color of my form. So it's form1.color, and this time it's a color list box 1. Dot, and I'm also going to use selected. Okay, so when I click on the color list box, it's going to change the form1, the color, to whatever is selected in the color list box. So if I click on cream, it's going to change the color of the form to cream. The third one is a color grid 1. So I'm also going to code it under the event on click. I'm going to say form1 dot color grid. Oh wait, first color. Yeah, I say color grid 1 dot, and the color that I want to use is the foreground color. Okay, so that's the left click. So if I click on my color grid, it's going to take the whatever is the foreground color, and it's going to set it to the color of my form. Okay, so I'm going to click on red, and it will change the color of my form to red. Okay, so 3 different components. This is a color box 1. So drop down box, then you can choose. The second one is a color list box. There's color box, color list box, and then a color grid where the user can choose a specific color.